What makes the project even more shocking is that Turkey has faced significant obstacles and pressures from its allies in acquiring advanced military technologies, including the US's reluctance to provide Turkey with F-35 fighter jets. The country's decision to embark on a project of this magnitude and develop its own fighter jet is a bold move that has caught many by surprise. In December 2015, Turkey's Undersecretariat for Defense Industries SSM announced that it had selected the United Kingdom-based organization Birleşik Arap Emirlikleri Systems to assist in the design of Turkey's next-generation air superiority fighter. On the same day, Rolls-Royce offered Turkey a joint development proposal for a derivative of the EJ200 engine, involving technology transfer and collaboration for the MMU program. During her visit to Turkey in January 2017, then UK Prime Minister Theresa May witnessed the signing of an agreement worth approximately £100 million between Birleşik Arap Emirlikleri Systems and Turkish Aerospace Industries TAI officials. The agreement aimed to facilitate Birleşik Arap Emirlikleri's assistance in the development of the aircraft. In the prototypes under testing phase, it was announced that two General Electric F-110 GE-129 turbofan engines, each producing 29,000 pounds of thrust, will be used. Alternatively, discussions are ongoing between Rolls-Royce and the Presidency of Defense Industries (SSB). Additionally, TR Motor Power Systems Inc. continues its efforts to develop a fifth-generation turbofan using domestic capability used. As of June 2022, discussions are ongoing between Rolls-Royce and the President of prototype aircraft have been delivered to Turkey. Additionally, TR Motor Power Systems has stated that it is designed in a configuration to develop a fifth-generation cross-section external weapon base and super as of June 2022, discussions are ongoing between Rolls-Royce and the President of prototype aircraft have been delivered to Turkey. Turkish Aerospace Industries addition has visualized the Motor Power Systems design as stated MMU design in which configuration to develop a fifth-generation cross-section external weapon base composite facility as of June prepared for producing F-110 prototype aircraft have been delivered to Turkey. Turkish Aerospace Industries has been visualized the aircraft design as stated MMU design in which configuration to develop a low-radar cross-section external weapon base composite facility as visualized 7,000 aircraft prototype aircraft have been delivered to Turkish Aerospace manufacturer has been visualized the aircraft design as stated MMU design in which configuration to develop a low-radar cross-section external weapon bases and now forward special has visualized 7,000 aircraft prototype aircraft. The National Combat Aerospace manufacturer has been visualized aircraft design in which configuration to develop a radar cross-section external weapon bases and now forward special has visualized 7,000 aircraft in January the National Combat Aerospace manufacturer has been visualized Nagorno-Karabakh war exceeded $1 billion. Bayraktar TB2s were actively used by the Government of National Accord, recognized by the United Nations, during the Second Libyan Civil War in 2019 and 2020. They helped shift the balance of air superiority in favor of the Government of National Accord and significantly contributed to its progress. According to the renowned Oryx website, Bayraktar TB2s destroyed at least one T-55 tank, 2 armored combat vehicles, 6 BM-21 Grad multiple rocket launcher systems, 9 Panzer S-1 air defense systems, 44 various vehicles, 3 Su-22 fighter jets, 2 Il-76 transport planes, and 1 M-32 transport plane during the war. Additionally, it was stated by Oryx that due to the limited footage of TB2s in Libya being shared with the public, the number of platforms destroyed during the war was higher. It was actively used in the Turkish military's Claw operations, military operations during its intervention in the Syrian Civil War, and the Second Libyan Civil War. One of the most notable features of TB2 is its high altitude and long flight duration. This UAV can reach a maximum altitude of up to 27,000 feet and has the capability to perform uninterrupted flights for up to 27 hours. Thanks to these features, TB2 can cover a wide area and be effectively used in long-duration missions. Its body is made of composite materials, providing lightweight construction along with high strength and durability. The UAV has a wingspan of 12 meters and a payload capacity of up to 650 kilograms, allowing for the integration of various sensor and weapon systems. The integration of weapon systems with the Bayraktar TB2 enhances its effective target engagement capability with high precision and accuracy. It features a built-in laser target designator for precise targeting and can engage and destroy targets with up to 4 smart munitions as its payload. Special points called hardpoints, mounted on the wings and body of the UAV, are used for the installation of weapon systems. This allows for the transportation and use of different types of ammunition, missiles, bombs, or other target engagement systems. The Bayraktar TB2 is a system that offers all solutions with quick detect and engage capability to prevent damage in close proximity to the target. The Bayraktar TB2 UAV has also been featured in the US media, including The Wall Street Journal, The Washington Post, Forbes, and Foreign Affairs. News related to the Bayraktar TB2 UAVs, obtained through searches with the keyword, armed drones, in their digital editions published between July 1, 2020, and 2021, has been subjected to descriptive analysis and shared with the public. In conclusion, the Bayraktar TB2 is an important example showcasing Turkey's capabilities in the defense industry. In the coming years, the demand and necessity for such indigenous and national unmanned aerial vehicles will continue to increase. The Bayraktar TB2 plays a significant role in strengthening Turkey's defense capabilities and contributing to national security and operational capabilities. If you like it and enjoyed it, please share it with your family and friends for your support. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an upload. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about the Çakır project at the Turkish Air Force has started for F-16 aircraft. Latest technology system and update integration continues at full speed for F-16 Çakır. The first delivery was made in the Çakır project, one of the most critical projects of the Turkish defense industry. The first modernized F-16 Block 30 ZGR aircraft was delivered to the Turkish Air Force. Thanks to the Çakır project realized with national resources, Turkey will be able to integrate national ammunition, electro-optical systems and avionics into F-16 warplanes. The National Mission Computer and operational flight software developed for this purpose were integrated into the F-16. In addition to these components, a number of critical avionics systems entered the Turkish Air Force inventory, together with the F-16 CGR aircraft. The Çakır project, which will be applied to F-16 Block 30 warplanes at the first stage, will be integrated into F-16s in Block 40 and Block 50 configurations, after 30 to 35 Block 30 warplanes. Many critical missiles and pods such as Gökdoğan, Bozdoğan, Gezgin, Atmaka, Çakır, Gekin, Aselpit, Apot and Som will be used in F-16s. If you like it and enjoy it, please share it with your family and friends for your support. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an upload. Thank you so much. Hello everyone. Brace yourselves for an unforgettable experience as we uncover the secrets behind this advanced weapon system and witness its incredible capabilities in action. Welcome to this fascinating video about the Çakır missile. Çakır is a new generation cruise missile developed by Roketsan, a Turkish rocket and missile manufacturer capable of being launched from land, sea, and air platforms with a range exceeding 150 kilometers. Thanks to its target selection capability and unique warhead, Çakır possesses high destructive power and can hit its targets in all weather conditions. The Çakır missile utilizes a turbojet engine, specifically the KTJ1750 turbojet engine, developed domestically by K-Large. Its targets include surface targets, coastal and nearshore targets, strategic land targets, field targets, and caves. With the ability to operate in a coordinated manner through network-based data link on different platforms, the missile allows for in-flight route updates, target changes, and mission cancellations based on user selection. Additionally, it is capable of performing evasive maneuvers while cruising. Equipped with terrain-following radar technology, the missile can fly close to the surface of the water. Standing out as an agile missile with its design capabilities, the Çakır cruise missile can operate in a coordinated manner through network-based data link on different platforms. It also offers capabilities such as target changes, route modifications, and mission cancellations based on user selection. Furthermore, the flocking concept emerges as one of Çakır's most significant abilities, enabling coordinated attacks and achieving high effectiveness against multiple targets. Moreover, Çakır missiles fired from different vehicles move in a coordinated manner to strike the same targets from different regions. The Çakır cruise missile, which can be carried on various air, sea, and land platforms, distinguishes itself as a strategic and next-generation technology. If you like it, please share it with your family and friends for your support. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an upload. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Turkey has become a world leader in electronic warfare capabilities by developing an armed unmanned surface vehicle USV called Marlin. This video will take a closer look at Marlin, an engineering marvel and technological masterpiece. Developed by Aselsan and Safin shipyard, Marlin is an unmanned surface vehicle that has achieved many firsts in its field. It is considered the best in class, especially due to its electronic warfare capabilities, among all the unmanned sea vehicles developed worldwide. These types of next-generation approaches are expected to significantly reduce the operational burden on naval forces, leading to reasonable operating costs. It can support long-term intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance operations and provide effective support in fire support operations requiring manned surface and underwater platforms. It has an autonomous navigation capability to avoid obstacles and can navigate safely on its own by processing the images taken from the surrounding area by the radar and electro-optical cameras mounted on it. Marlin can either move to the SIDA mission area from the port on its own power or be transported to the mission points by cargo planes, military ships, or road transportation. In this context, it can be one of the mission modules carried on Turkey's flagship TCG Anadolu L-400, as well as on TCG Derya Dimdik, which is a platform that can carry mission modules. Marlin can also be carried on Bayraktar-class LST ships, TCG Anadolu LHD ship, other logistic support ships, and floating platforms with helicopter platforms after being containerized. It also has the ability to operate with other operational elements autonomously or remotely controlled and to successfully perform integrated mission execution with Combat Management Systems (CMS). Designed for surface warfare purposes, Marlin can be transformed from a monohull to a trimaran form by an expandable platform wings attached to both sides of the hull that can be used to mount weapons. This allows for an increase in useful load capacity in the use of different weapons and systems. If you like it and enjoyed it, please share it with your family and friends for your support. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an upload. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. I have prepared this video to shed light on an extraordinary success that demonstrates the strength of the Turkish defense industry and its determination to push the limits of innovation. I am delighted to introduce to you the Atak 2, the heavy class attack helicopter, a true marvel in its class. The signing of the Atak 2 project agreement between the Presidency of Defense Industries and Turkish Aerospace Industries (TUSA) on February 22, 2019, marked a significant milestone in the fulfillment of the Turkish Armed Forces' need for a formidable heavy-class assault helicopter. This remarkable machine stands tall among the few in its league, such as the AH-6 for Apache, Mi-28, and Ka-52. Built entirely with indigenous capabilities and knowledge gained from the success of its predecessor, the T-129 Atak helicopter, the Atak 2 showcases the strength of Turkey's domestic expertise in the defense industry. With a weight of 10 tons, equipped with 6 wing stations and a payload capacity of 1,200 kilograms, this advanced machine embodies the epitome of power and versatility. What sets the Atak 2 apart is its exceptional performance, thanks to its enhanced payload, state-of-the-art electro-optics and cameras, self-protection systems, upgraded weapon stations, and avionics. Among its impressive array of weapon systems are the 30mm high-caliber cannon, next-generation 2.75-inch rockets, long-range anti-tank missiles with different guidance systems, and air-to-air missile systems. Moreover, the Atak 2 boasts a crew capacity of 2, a 12.7mm bulletproof armored cockpit, the ability to operate in extreme conditions ranging from scorching temperatures of up to +50 C to freezing conditions of -40 C, resilience against high-altitude environments and other challenging factors, and an integrated helmet-mounted display system. These remarkable features make the Atak 2 a force to be reckoned with. The Atak 2 exemplifies the spirit of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what is possible, and setting new standards for heavy-class assault helicopters worldwide. If you like it, please share it with your family and friends for your support. Subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to never miss an upload. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, in this video we will take a closer look at the Hürjet, the supersonic jet trainer and light attack aircraft of the Turkish Armed Forces. Designed to play a critical role with its superior performance capabilities, the Hürjet jet trainer and light attack aircraft features a single engine, tandem seating arrangement, and a modern avionics suite. The armed variant of the Hürjet is an important force on the battlefield with its wide range of mission capabilities and superior useful payload capacity. The Hürjet project was launched to replace the T-38 aircraft used in jet evolution training and the F-5 aircraft used in acroteam shows, and to be included in the inventory of the Turkish Air Force. It is also intended to be used as a jet trainer aircraft that can address the increasing number of fifth-generation aircraft such as the TFX KAAN, F-35, etc. and their updated configurations. The cockpit of the Hürjet features a single-piece multifunctional integrated modular display. The integrated modular display is a smart, multifunctional unit that combines mission computer and display features into a single device. It has a large AMLCD touchscreen display, which allows the pilot to watch sensor videos, view digital maps and tactical symbology, and manage the system. The Hürjet is compatible with configurations such as combat readiness training, light attack close air support, opposing force role in training, air patrol armed and unarmed, aerobatic display aircraft, and aircraft carrier compatible aircraft. It has 2 crew members and measures 13.6 meters 44.6 feet in length, 9.5 meters 31.2 feet in wingspan, with a wing area of 35 meters 2,377 square feet. Its engine is a General Electric F404 GE102 turbofan engine with a thrust of 17,600 lbf 78.3 kilonewtons. In terms of performance, it has a service ceiling of 45,000 feet 13,716 meters, a continuous turn rate of 5.5 grams at 15,000 feet, 0.9 Mach, a climb rate of 39,000 feet per minute 198 meters per second, a range of 1,200 nautical miles 2,222 kilometers, a payload capacity of 6,000 pounds 2,722 kilograms, a maximum speed of 1.4 Mach, and G limits of +8 grams, -3 grams. Specifications are also available. If you like it and enjoyed it, please share it with your family and friends for your support. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an upload. Thank you so much. Hello everyone. Meet Anka 3. The unmanned combat aerial vehicle Anka 3 MIAS with delta wings and jet engine, developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries TAI, has entered the inventory of the Turkish Armed Forces. The Anka 3 turbofan jet engine UAV, developed on the Anka unmanned aerial vehicle platform, has a low radar signature due to the absence of any horizontal and vertical stabilization in the tail design and the location of the weapon station within the fuselage. With a takeoff weight of up to 6.5 tons and a speed of approximately 0.7 Mach 800 km per hour, the Anka 3 has a payload capacity of 1,200 tons and can remain in the air for 10 hours at an altitude of 40,000 feet. With internal and wing-mounted weapon stations and a high payload capacity, the Anka 3 occupies an important place in showing Turkey's progress in next-generation unmanned aerial vehicles. The Anka 3 performs tasks such as reconnaissance, surveillance, intelligence gathering, air-to-ground attacks with national ammunition, air-to-air combat with enemy helicopters, planes and UAVs, and neutralizing enemy radar and air defense systems with low visibility. Thanks to its very low radar cross-section, the Anka 3 will be Turkey's deep strike platform in attacks deep inside enemy territories, along with KAAN TFX and Kizilma. If you like it and enjoyed it, please share it with your family and friends for your support. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an upload. Thank you so much. Recently, Turkey has been making moves that will change the balance of power in the world with serious investments and projects in the defense industry. It has made significant progress, especially in domestic production technologies. One of these projects is the STM-500 submarine. This submarine is one of the most important defense industry products produced by Turkey and makes Turkey stand out in submarine production. There are very few countries in the world that produce their own submarines, and one of them is Turkey. STM-500 is a 500-ton class Turkish submarine whose construction started in 2022. The shallow-water diesel-electric submarine is being built by the Turkish defense company STM. The submarine, which has a crew of 18 people, also has a mini-submarine that can carry 6 Special Forces personnel SAS on its hull to be used in special operations. It has the ability to stay in water for 30 days and is designed to have a maximum diving depth of 250 meters. Combat Management System. Navigation Radar. Optronic navigation and assault periscopes. Torpedo countermeasure. It also features decoys, electronic support measures ESM, floating antenna BWA, sonars, CAS, CTA, PRS, MOS, IDRs, ONA and 4 torpedo tubes, 2 shells compatible with guided missiles and an additional 4 torpedo storage capacity. Also, thanks to the AIP Air Independent Propulsion System in the submarine, it can operate independently of the air to charge the submarine batteries. The STM-500 has a very advanced technology. One of the most important features of this submarine is that it is equipped with a sonar system. In this way, it can receive and analyze acoustic signals used to locate and detect submarines. In addition, the submarine is equipped with weapon systems such as torpedoes and missiles. The STM-500 was announced in 2021 as a lower-cost and more cost-effective underwater warfare option at the 10th Naval Systems Seminar held in August 2021. The STM-500 submarine will serve Turkey's strategic defense purposes. Submarines are a crucial strategic defense tool for countries around the world. A submarine can detect and attack ships and submarines of enemy countries. In this way, it is possible to protect the borders of the country and to resist the attacks of the enemy countries. The STM-500 submarine is an important success story in Turkey's defense industry. This submarine is also important in terms of showing the point Turkey has reached in submarine production. Turkey continues to develop and grow in the field of defense industry. This means that Turkey will become even stronger in the future. If you like it and enjoyed it, please share it with your family and friends for your support. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an upload. Thank you so much.
Yeah.